Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover missing notes on iPhone. Now, if say for example you have a note that is missing, say for example starting from here, what you're going to do is head over to this back sign right here, and you should be able to see here recently deleted. Click that one, and here are the notes that you have deleted or might have been deleted in your notes. And if say for example you want to get this back, let's say the sample notes, I'm gonna head over and basically scroll it just like so, and you should be able to see here move. Click on that and then put it back to notes. Now if you head over now to your notes, you should be able to see that notes that you have retrieved. Now what if say for example it's not deleted, it's not found here in recently deleted nor in your notes app. What you can do is head over to the settings and then scroll down to the bottommost corner, click the apps, and look for the notes application right here. And here I want you to scroll down, and you should be able to see here on my iPhone account. Go ahead and enable that one. This time head over to notes, and this time you should be able to see here on my iPhone. So what happened is if there are some glitches or something that you might have been, or something that does not sync with your iCloud, usually it's found on my iPhone tab right here. So click this one right here, and you should be able to see it somewhere in here. Again, everybody, that's how you're going to recover missing notes on iPhone.